Okay, this is just a really quick and basic video, just talking and detailing a little bit of information about how to remove the brake switch on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van. So what you need to do is underneath the steering column here, if you look underneath, you can see just here, that white thing there, that is the housing with a switch attached to it, and there's a cable running to the back. Mine has a pink cable. It's pretty simple to remove. I won't do it because you need to use it, need to have two hands to do it. But essentially all you have to do is push the brake pedal down and then push the grey plastic piece, and you push that sort of back towards the firewall, and that will actually kind of, it has a little bit of resistance, but it'll push out, and then you can squeeze a little white plastic housing. You can pop that out, and then under here there's a little connector plug. The connector plug has a little tab, so you just need to kind of squeeze the underside of the connector plug and pull it back to disconnect it. So that's all you need to do. It's a 1 or 2 minute job if this is the part that's the problem, and then that's it. There's no tools required. I use a flathead screwdriver initially to push the little grey plastic piece in and out, but I just did it then by hand, and I just used my finger and I just pushed it through and it popped out. So that's it. It's pretty simple. If you're gentle with it and you do it the right way, you won't damage anything. Obviously just be really careful of the plug and the cable here, that you don't yank it or pull anything out. And the reason why you might want to be looking at replacing this thing here is it is sometimes the cause of a what's it called, like an EPS, traction control error, and that will show up in the dash. So sometimes when this can fail or it gets a little bit dicky, that can cause that error message to show up. And you know, if you have a code reader and you can confirm that this is this is the issue of that problem, then you can replace it yourself. So there wasn't any other videos on YouTube showing how to locate and replace the brake switch. So I figured I'd just do a really quick and basic video showing you where it is and how to remove it, and that it's a really simple job. And if it is the cause of those error codes, you're in luck, because it's relatively cheap, the part to replace, and it's yeah, like a 2 minute job to replace it as well. So if that is the cause of your problems, good luck to you, because it's a very quick and easy thing to fix, especially now you know where it is and how to get to it. So I hope that helps someone out there. Obviously this is probably only applicable to a certain range and model of Mercedes-Benz vans. Might be the same sort of thing on the videos and some of the other models, but for the newer model Sprinters, this is a 2014 Sprinter 316 CDI, so it should be basically the same thing across all models within all recent vans. So yeah, hopefully it helps some people out there, and good luck to you if you're looking to do this job yourself as well. Alright, bye.